Hi everyone, today I am here to do another review video, and today I am reviewing this foldable, collapsible desk. It's pretty much a TV tray, super elevated and high class and way better because it's just this part, the frame, and then the top, which clicks right on. And I was looking for something in my basement that I could use to work at and that looked nice, that wasn't a TV tray, but that I could move it easily if I needed to. I didn't want something bulky and expensive. I just wanted something basic that did the job. And usually I have a 27-inch monitor on here and my laptop stand and a full gaming keyboard and my mouse, and everything fits perfectly, super sturdy, have not had any issues with it. Originally I bought a different one that had, not this burn, a different one that had wheels, and I was like, oh, this is great. I could wheel it away, maybe put it in the storage back there, but it was wobbly. I did not like it. This one I like way better because you could fold it and it takes up no space. So let me show it to you closer and let you see it close up and how you assemble it and deassemble it. So this is what it looks like close up. I got the black and the brown version. As you can see, it's not real wood, but it has the feel. There's even actual indentation, so it feels not smooth, but it feels like it's wood grain. So it definitely looks great. And then it just has the black frame. So it's a super sleek desk, and it is almost 40 inches wide, which is great, and almost 20 inches deep, which is also great. And as you can see here, this is where the top snaps in on each side. So it's easy as 1, 2, 3. And then what else do you want to know about it? It's lightweight, and let me just show you. Voila. Look at how easy that was. So you could see here, well, hopefully you can, these clips on all 4 sides. And then look at that. That's how easy it was. I could even store it behind the couch. All right, now let's just assemble it just to show you how easy it is. And this is how it comes out of the box. So it comes with this piece, and you're going to open it up, and I'm turning it around because I want it to face this way. So you just open it up, and this is the frame of it. And then this is where the top's going to attach to. So you just line it up and you hear it snap in. That's how easy it is. And then really quickly, voila, that is a 27-inch monitor, full gaming keyboard, and my full MacBook on a stand and a mouse. Super spacious, highly recommend this.